Welcome back to another Playmo AF video today. I wanted to show you real quick before we get started with today's episode what else came in for that last big Playmobil order that we made. This is the set that I had ordered for my grandson that was sold out. This is the City Action Special Forces unit, and that's a really cool set actually. I'm guessing now, though, seeing this up close, that this female character, or this female clicky, is the villain in this whole scenario. I don't think one of the special forces would be like setting up a bomb. Today we are going to be unbagging this little set here. If you guys remember from a few videos back, we got a bit of a package with several things in it, and this was one of them. And I ordered the fans of the football team, the iguanas or the dragons or the lizards, I'm not sure. But this is set number 1011, which is an odd number because it's so low. I'm surprised they're not going with something in the 7s, but I don't understand their numbering system to begin with. But anyway, we have 3 football fans here. I'm not one of them. What? And so we got them all out here, and still getting stuff out of the bag here. I think that's it now. Yeah, I think that's it. And this is one of the dirtiest bags I've seen. Do you kind of see that? It's brownish. It's weird. But yeah, here they are, minus all the accessories. And this is a pretty cool set already. Really stoked to see the diversity. We do have a flag of our lizards. I would hope that they're not called the iguanas, because that's just a silly name. I'm gonna give this guy the flag. So he gets the flag. The blonde-haired man gets the flag, and it looks like we have a hot dog. Can we get that in focus? Maybe. There's the hole for it to attach to the bun. We cannot get it in focus. Here's the bun, and so we're gonna give this gentleman the hot dog. All right, we're gonna move you guys all the way back here so I have a little more room for my hands. We've got the foam glove on the girl, and we also have a horn, like a little bike horn. And if you have the drum set, I would be curious to know if this attaches to that middle section of the drums. If you recall, and I don't have a set of drums here to show you, but there's a little, 2 little tabs that stick up that look like you should be able to attach something to them, which I was hoping would be another tom drum, or some other kind of drum. But somebody online showed me that they had a horn attached in the center of those little pegs. And of course, the guy with the hot dog, he gets a drink, and it's in a green cup. And that is pretty neat and pretty nifty how everything matches like that. So here's what I've been dying to do. You've got your fans of the Komodo dragons. We're just gonna go with dragons, because lizards is a terrible name for a team. So were the iguanas. But I mean, what kind of animal is that? And I picked the worst figure to show you. So we got the iguanas or the dragons here, and then we got Virginia Tech. Yeah, so which one of these do you think would be the more rabid fan? Especially with Mr. Crazy Hair over here. Let's get a female. Here we go. Yeah, she has no shoes on. Oh, this is one of my newer figures, guys. One of my newer customizations. Hope you guys like it. So we got our tech fans and we got our dragon fans. Whoops. That's because she's not wearing shoes. So anyway, this is it, guys. I wanted to show you these 3 clickies, new clickies. We're gonna have the football players in another video, and I just wanted to show you guys, and I hope you liked. I hope you liked what you see. There's another football team available, which is I guess this team's rival. It was smart of Playmobil to come up with 2 different types of football teams, I thought. But this one I just liked the colors. I thought it was just more colorful and vibrant, and I wanted to add that to the collection. So there you have it. We have 3 football fans, and that's really all I got for you guys. It's a short video today for once. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already for more future Playmobil content. Also, you can follow us on Instagram at playmo.af. We will be taking a break, but don't worry, we'll see you again in 2 weeks. We've got plenty more on the way, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.